Hi, my name is Nidia Maya and this is the test for Unit 1 for instructional video. How do I teach cardinality principle? First, I ask a question like how many stars do you see? Then I draw them, then I write the number and I start counting them like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last number I say is the total. Now let's go to subtraction. So 43 minus 27, I cannot subtract 3 minus 7, so I ask 4 to borrow me 10, so that way 3 is a 13 and 4 is no longer 4 but a 3. Now I say 13 minus 7 is 6, 3 minus 2 is 1, and then let's remember that 43 is the minuend, 27 is the subtrahend, and 16 is the difference. So what I do is I take the subtrahend and the difference, and the opposite of subtraction is addition. So I add the subtrahend plus the difference, and then I get the minuend. Now let's go to multiplication of fractions. 3/4 times 1/2. I used to tell them that whenever you are multiplying fractions, you multiply straight. So it means all the numerators you multiply like 3 times 1, and the denominators you multiply them straight in a straight line like 4 times 2. So 3 times 1 is 3 and 4 times 2 is 8. So my answer is 3/8. Now to solve this equation, I used to cross and multiply to eliminate the fractions. Like 2 times 9 is equal 3 times x. Then I simplify both sides of the equation. So 2 times 9 is 18 equal 3x. But then I solve the x by dividing both sides by 3. So for example, x is equal to 18 divided by 3, and 18 divided by 3 is 6. Now to write the equation in a slope intercept given these points, I would draw this bar graph starting by the x, and then I write in horizontally the x and vertically the y. Since the greatest number I have is 8, I number them from 0 to 8 in both sides. So then I start 2, 4, I start with x, so x would be 2 and y would be 4. So that's why I drew on this point this 2.4. So now 5, 8, 5 belongs to the x and 8 belongs to the y. So that's why it is located here, and this is 5, 8.